one more day with this little guy. It's ride pretty good actually. Not as stiff as my Camry for some reason. Actually ride more comfortable. But I have not drive around with a sport mode yet. Got a COVID test. It's negative. Nice day. Here they sunroof out.
They all raise awareness, start conversations, and save lives.
Go home, get some lunch. And I must have in Canada. So always have a couple of Tim Hortons in here. And I just try sport mode today. Sport setting. There you go. Ultimate driving experience.
That's why we offer fast, convenient, and personalized services that make shopping easy. Like order pickup, free 2-day shipping, and free returns every day. Closer to you is simply getting it right for you. Come see us today at Nordstrom.
Many people suffer from anxiety and depression. They feel an immense sense of despair. I'm Nanish Kotak, and at Kotak Law, we help clients who've been denied long-term disability. Often insurance companies deny disability claims on the basis that there's insufficient medical evidence. We fight for your right to receive the compensation you deserve. If you've been denied long-term disability, don't give up. Visit kotaklaw.com today.
Beautiful day in Toronto for October. Nice and warm, which is very strange. But stop. Sport mode. Let's see. I'm gonna get a ticket or not. Oh crap. Actually, it's only doing 4 hours, doing like 50, 60. That's pretty quick. The steering wheel responds pretty good. It's a really nice ride, this little guy. So 50 kilometers, I'm doing 71. I think it's good. Not bad. It's always tough to drive in Toronto because we have buses and they stop right in the red light for turns. And sometimes I don't know if I should wait for them or cut them off. But I try to play it safe. I don't want to go around the bus and get hit by a bus.
Intersection, we put up a disco ball. That'd be fun. The world is arming faster than we can respond. Where's 007? Now, one is mine. When you're ready, don't miss. James Bond, license to kill. The mission.
You don't know what this is?
That will change everything.
You've come to kill millions.
If we don't do this, there will be nothing left to save. No time to die. In theaters. Get your tickets now.
Can I just have one nice evening, please, before the world explodes?
Got PC Optimum points? Visit Shoppers Drug Mart and get more for your points during the bonus redemption event. Now until Wednesday, October 13th, get up to an extra $15, $40, or $100 off when you redeem 50, 100, or 200,000 PC Optimum points in-store or at shoppersdrugmart.ca. So indulge in your favorite fall finds and get more for your points. A Shoppers Drug Mart exclusive. Details in store.
How Bell makes the internet better.
Did you know the fastest person ran 100 meters in 9.58 seconds?
Well, did you know Bell Pure Fiber Internet has total download speeds of up to 1.5 gigabits per second?
You just switched to Bell, didn't you?
Yep. Want to come over Friday?
Definitely.
Switch to Pure Fiber Internet, the fastest internet technology, starting from just $84.95 a month. Call 310-BELL or visit a Bell store to check availability. Bell, being online just got better.
When it comes to picking adventures, Peter and Patty Pickerson are pretty picky. Peter picked a perfect peck of pickled peppers while partner Patty went pumpkin picking, plus piled piles and piles of perfectly picked plump apples into their properly parked Subaru. Peter then picked a picnic place while Patty playfully paddleboarded peer-to-peer, which really proves the point. Peter and Patty Pickerson are perfectly paired for Subaru's adventure picking event. Pick your favorite Subaru and enjoy rates as low as 0.5% at your pick of Subaru dealers.
Wake up! I got McDonald's for breakfast.
What time is it?
Monopoly time? I've got Egg McMuffins, some coffee, maybe a car, maybe 10 grand.
Hey, are those your...
Lucky pajamas? Yes.
Please tell me the drive-thru.
Coast to Coast Monopoly is back with over $80 million in prizes. Get in the game and feel the thrill every time you play. While supplies last, chances of winning may change as prizes are claimed. See rules at participating McDonald's restaurants in Canada or at mcdpromotion.ca.
The following is a paid political advertisement.
Andrea Horvath is a politician that says one thing and does another. She talks about tackling the housing crisis, but opposes building more homes. She says she stands with workers, but supports job-killing red tape. She talks about how expensive everything is, but plans to raise your taxes. She says she's against gridlock, but opposes building new highways. Ontario NDP's Andrea Horvath, a politician that says one thing and does another. Authorized by the CFO for the Ontario PC Party.
License number 10587. You're approved. And you're approved. And you're approved. For first, second,